wanna move this way a little bit? You guys wanna move this way a little bit?
Sydney, on the east coast of Australia, is a unique global city crowned by its picturesque harbour area, Sydney Harbour Bridge and World Heritage Opera House. Home to 4.6 million people, Sydney is the gateway to the rest of Australia for some 4 million additional international guests every year. Sydney is world famous for its sportsmen and women, its unique culture and its First Nations people, the world's oldest indigenous culture, amazing natural wonders and its world famous landmarks. Darling Harbour, Circular Quay, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the Opera House, Sydney's historic defence fortifications, its World Heritage National Parks, the Blue Mountains and its ancient Three Sisters rock formations, and of course, its amazing beaches. Welcome to Sydney Olympic Park in the heart of Sydney, birthplace of the Sydney 2000 Games and Paralympic Games. We're here ready to welcome its 20th celebrations. Sydney Olympic Park is located in the heart of Sydney and its traditional owners, the Wangal people. They are the custodians of these traditional lands on which we now stand. These ancestral roots of the Aboriginal people span back 20,000 years and beyond, with our Aboriginal people being the oldest civilization on Earth. Sydney Olympic Park plays host to hundreds of events every year, from major sporting events to concerts, annual Sydney Royal Easter Show. It is the ultimate hub for your event, including Pokémon GO Safari. There is a full retail precinct, restaurants, bars, hotels, and plenty of public transport opportunities so that it's easy to get to no matter where you're coming from around Sydney. It has huge stadiums and sport facilities to complement its large open spaces and is fully functional for any size event. And the Sydney Olympic Park Authority works closely with telecommunication companies to boost signal in the park for any of its large events.
Sydney Olympic Park is a fantastic facility to hold an event like a Pokémon GO Safari, with over 300 dedicated Pokestops, over 40 gyms in the area, and dedicated transport links right throughout the park.
I'm Susan Squartis and I'm the Director of Place Management from Sydney Olympic Park Authority, and we're looking forward to welcoming you and the Pokemon community to Sydney Olympic Park in 2020 for the Pokémon GO Safari. 20 years ago we had the world and people of all nations converge in this place for the Olympic and Paralympic Games, and they brought a special spirit and energy to the place. That energy still lives on today. We are the premier events precinct for Australia, and we're purpose-built to hold events of all shapes and sizes. We've enjoyed working with Peter and the Pokemon community in putting this bid together, and we look forward to working with the team at Niantic to bring it to life next year. Bring on Pokémon GO Safari in Sydney.
Sydney, 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 Sydney.